One, two, three.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be trying out this microwave brownie in a mug. So I've never done this before, so this is my first time, and I'm just gonna kind of do a tutorial on how to do it, and I'll show you if it turns out good. So this is a mug I'm using. So I'll show you what you're going to need: butter, flour, and sugar. I'm going to melt this butter in the microwave. In you go. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of water to the mug. 2. So that's about that much. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Just have to see. 1, 2. How it looks right now, kind of ooey. To add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, whatever it's called, but I don't have that, so this is what we use in Sweden, vanilla sugar. I'm just going to take a teaspoon of this. And now I'm going to add a dash of salt, like that. That was tiny. And now it says to whisk this well, so I've got a little whisk here, and I'm just going to whisk this well. That's how it looks. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 2. Whisk well. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar, and then you got to whisk that. It says to add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, so I'm going to do that. Then just whisk that together. So this is how it should look, I'm guessing. Microwave it for 60 to 90 seconds. Sophie, where do you put the time on? This is how it looks after 1 minute in the microwave. It looks so good. But it's really hot, so we're going to wait till we eat it. I did whip some whipped cream, so I'm going to put on the... Shall I put it on the top, Sophie? Ta-da! Now just get your spoon and enjoy. Okay, so now I'm going to try it. Is it hot? It's really nice.